Good morning, everyone. My name is Karipova Bakulatpaevna. I am a teacher at College Catering and Service. The theme of the lesson is methods of cooking. Lesson objectives: all students will be able to learn or revise vocabulary relating to food, restaurants, tastes, and textures. Develop speaking skills, discussing preferences and attitudes towards methods of cooking. Read the text and search for detailed information, analyze and answer the questions. We'll begin our lesson with question. What can you say about the methods of cooking? Methods of cooking is a heat treatment food to make it edible. Many products cannot be eaten raw. Meat, fish, and vegetables are usually cooked. The four basic ways to cook food are heating in a liquid, boiling, stewing, heating in a fat oil, they are frying and salting, heating in steam, it is steaming. Heating by dry heat, they are baking, roasting, and grilling. Students, what cooking methods are there? There are different types of cooking methods: roasting, frying, grilling, boiling, steaming. The next task, it is vocabulary practice. Pay attention reading of vocabularies. Heat treatment: heat, heating, boiling, stewing, frying, shallow, salting, steaming, baking, roasting, grilling, simmering, deep frying, immersion, fritters, to baste, to spoon over, roasting foil, melted fat on a spit, charcoal. The next task is, according to this vocabulary, we do exercise. How various food can be prepared? Match the line in A with the line in B. Egg, to poach egg. Potato, to fry potato. Chicken, to grill chicken. Fish, to smoke fish. Cauliflower, to steam cauliflower. Bread, to bake bread. Beef, to stew beef. Apple, to bake apple. So students will watch video.
Entree that's full of flavor? Then look no further. This sensational Southwest chicken stir fry is perfect for the whole family. The high heat, short cooking time, and minimum amount of oil make stir frying a healthy cooking method, preserving the crisp textures, bright colors, and valuable nutrients of the fresh vegetables. First, make the marinade. Start by whisking together, in a small bowl, 1 finely chopped garlic clove, 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro leaves, and 1½ teaspoons ground coriander. Then, add a 1/4 teaspoon of seeded and chopped dried chili pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, cut 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts into 1/2 inch strips and place the chicken in a large zip-top plastic bag. Pour the marinade over the chicken. Seal the bag and refrigerate for 1 hour to marinate. Remove chicken from the bag and discard the remaining marinade. And heat large skillet or wok over high heat. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil and chicken and cook 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add bell peppers and jalapeno and cook 3 to 4 minutes or until peppers are crisp tender. Stir in green onions and cook 1 minute. Add the orange segments and cook just until the chicken loses its pink color throughout and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, stirring occasionally. Finally, serve the stir fry over brown rice and garnish with cilantro and lime wedges. You and your family will surely appreciate this savory Southwest twist on an Asian classic. Enjoy!
Students, you have watched video. What methods of cooking is used in this video? It is salting process is used. Salting is frying when natural juices of the food are mixed with the fat or oil in the saucepan. We can also add stock, wine, or cream. As a result, we obtain a dish with sauce. Salted chicken is cooked in a small amount of oil or butter over fairly high heat in an open shell of pan. The process is simple. Cook chicken breasts, deglaze the caramelized juice and brown bits in the pan with liquid. Add a few other seasonings, and you have got a tasty pan sauce. For best results, use a non-stick skillet and scrape up the sauce slowly from the bottom of the pan to get the concentrated flavor left behind the salty. The next, students, there are three main classifications of methods of cooking. The first, moist heat method. The second, dry heat method. The third, combination method. Two moist heat methods include boiling, stewing, steaming, pressure cooking, poaching, blanching. Two dry heat methods include roasting, grilling, toasting, salting, boiling. Combination method, it is braising. The next, we continue our work. Dry heat method. Dry heat cooking method, it is baking, is dry cooking inside an oven. Bread, cakes, pastries, tarts, and biscuits are baked. Vegetables, especially potatoes, may also be cooked in this way. Roasting is cooking meat and poultry which are replaced in an oven and cooked by dry heat. They are often basted, that is, the juices from the meat are spooned over during the process. Grilling is a rapid method of cooking poultry, fish, cuts of meat, sausages, and kebabs by heat, the source of which may be gas, electricity, or charcoal. Deep frying is immersion of food in hot fat or oil. Shallow frying is frying on a pan in a hot fat or oil when the food is fried. The next, moist heat cooking. What is moist heat cooking? Boiling. We may boil food in different liquids and mixtures, including water, stock, and wine. Meat, poultry, many vegetables, and spaghetti are cooked in this way. Stewing is cooking food slowly in liquid. It is often used for meat, vegetables, herbs, and spices are usually added at the end of cooking. Blanching is similar to boiling, except the food is par-cooked and then submerged immediately in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Steaming is the method of cooking above the surface of boiling liquid in a covered saucepan. The next, combination cooking, it is braising. What is braising? Braising is the cooking of meat of vegetables by heating them slowly with oil and moisture in a tightly sealed vessel. Braising differs from stewing, in which the food is immersed in liquid, and from covered roasting, in which no liquid is added. Braising is the combination of covered roasting and steaming. The next it is exercise. We do this exercise using the Kahoot. Are the sentences true or false? To use both moist and dry cooking techniques is called combo cooking. True or false? It is true. To use metal and the radiation of hot air, oil, or fat to transfer heat is considered moist cooking. True or false? It is false. To use liquid instead of oil for heat energy needed to cook food is called dry cooking, is considered. True or false? Here it is false. Moisture that escapes into the air, it is process of evaporation that will then concentrate flavors. It is true. To quickly brown food at the start of the cooking process, it is considered searing. It is true. The next task, it is a home task. You students here, the text is for your home task. You should find the answers of the following questions. These are questions. Students, the lesson is over. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention.